Hi everyone, welcome back to Sparkle's Kitchen. It is absolutely freezing today. It is a high of something in the negatives. I'm trying not to think about it, staying warm in the kitchen and planning our meals for the day. So for dinner tonight we're going to have pork chops, and I thought I'd show you how we're making them. This is something that I've played around with a lot. I struggle with pork chops. They tend to come out kind of dry. The flavor's not always there. It's hard to get the right temperature. So this is a recipe we've been playing around with a little bit, and today we're going to make these pork chops first with a sear on the stovetop, and then we're going to put them in the slow cooker. So come along with me, see how they come out. Hopefully at the end we'll have a good finished product. So we're starting with our pork chops, and I'm just going to season them with salt and pepper. Now that we have our pork chops seasoned, we're going to make a rosemary garlic butter to marinate them in. So I've got a couple of cloves of garlic already peeled, and I'm just going to put these through my garlic press. These are a little big, so I'm actually going to cut it down a little bit. And play this one too. And I'm going to crush these into a quarter of a cup of melted butter. Okay. Next, I'm going to strip my sprigs of rosemary, and I'm just going to mince that up. You can hear Cannon in the background. He's hanging out with me in the kitchen while I cook. We're over at the stovetop, and I've got a big, heavy skillet heating up over medium-high heat, and I've got just a little bit of olive oil in there. And now what I'm going to do is brush this garlic rosemary marinade all over these chops. So it's 9:20 in the morning, and the smell of these is making me so hungry for pork chops already. It's gonna be a long day. Alright, I'm gonna flip these over. We're back over here on the island. I've got my slow cooker out, and I'm just going to place these lightly seared pork chops into the slow cooker. And then I'm going to go ahead and add all of this juice from the pan. This is all that good garlic and rosemary and kind of charred flavoring. So I'm just going to make sure we get all of that good flavor in here. And that is that. So now I'm going to actually let this sit in the refrigerator for a few hours. It's only 9:30 in the morning. So we're going to put this on low, probably around noon, 1 o'clock. They are thin pork chops, so they're not going to take too long in the slow cooker. So I will see you in a little bit. Hey there, it's right around 1 p.m. and we're ready to put our pork chops in the slow cooker. So here we go. Hey there, it's dinner time and our pork chops are done. Let's take a look. So we've got some good juicy looking pork chops and lots of juice. So I'm gonna drain this juice and make it into a nice gravy to go with our chops. And then I'm also gonna make up some green beans and some brown rice.